Alright, let's talk about one of the most surprising airdrop into the Solana ecosystem. That is Phantom Airdrop. So if you are using Phantom Wallet, then this video could be for you. And if you have not yet the installation of Phantom Wallet, then I think you should install it because I have a very good news about the Phantom Airdrop. And what is Phantom? If you're not familiar with this is a wallet just like other wallets, which are like OKX wallet, MetaMask wallet, Trust wallets. So we have this Phantom wallet, which supports Ethereum, Base, and Solana, and they are creating a token and launching into the market for the Phantom users, and they will be airdropping the tokens to the Phantom users hopefully. So just like Magic Eden, if you are familiar with the Magic Eden is a platform where you can actually trade NFTs, and they launched their airdrop recently on 10th of December, and that went to $10, and most of the people have received around $40,000, $50,000 of airdrop through Magic Eden. And now this is the website. If you want to check whether you are eligible for Magic Eden, then you have to go to this website, which is ME Foundation, and you can actually check whether you are eligible for Magic Eden airdrop or not. But let's go back to the Phantom. So Phantom is giving the airdrop just like Magic Eden, and I hope if you usually use a Phantom wallet, then hopefully you will get a handsome amount of airdrop. So let's understand like how you can actually get the airdrop. So Phantom is a wallet browser extension that can be used to manage digital assets. All right, so what are the steps? Visit the Phantom website. So I think this is the old article, and let me tell you why they are airdropping the tokens to the users. So this is the raise details by the Phantom, and they have raised around $118 million from big companies like Variant, DeFi, Alliance, Solana Ventures, Paradigm, and A16Z and Jump Capital. They recently raised this much amount, and they are hoping to create a token and will be airdropping to the users of the Phantom wallet. So how to actually farm this Phantom airdrop? I have a very good tweet and somebody posted about this. Just see, Phantom airdrop will be huge. Total raised amount is 118 million, and it will take 5 minutes to complete the airdrop. So first step is Phantom is a digital wallet which stores the DeFi value and NFTs, and you have to install it by going to the Google Chrome extension. Just go to the Google Chrome extensions and then go to it and just search Phantom. If you don't have Phantom wallet, let me search Phantom wallet. So this is the Phantom wallet, and you have to install it. I have already installed this wallet, so this will come to you. So next, what you have to do is Phantom has raised this much amount. All right, and let's talk about the airdrop. What do you have to do? Just install the Phantom wallet. This is the first thing. Deposit some funds. So in anywhere, like wherever you get the airdrop, mostly they just want from you to test, to check, to use all the features as much as possible. Just use them, and based on those activities, they label any user with the score, and based on the score you receive the airdrop. So the first step is create this wallet. Second, deposit funds. So I think based on funds stored into the Phantom wallet, they will give you a score. And second, it has some features. So one feature is buy, so basically swapping. Third feature is staking. You can actually stake your Solana to earn Solana. So basically they have feature of buy, store, stake, and this is swap and quest also. So basically on some regular basis, monthly or bi-weekly, they have some quest. Like this was the quest on the Phantom wallet where you have to create a mint a photo or video collectible. So let's directly go to this Phantom wallet, and they have features of receiving, sending, swap, and buy. So I would encourage you to fund this Phantom wallet if you have, and try to swap few tokens using this Phantom wallet, and try to stake. If you have, like, just go to the Solana and then you will see this staking feature, start earning Sol. Click on this liquid staking and try to stake here as much as you possible, just to get the this check marked into their backend so that they can see that you have staked also. So you have used swap, you have used staking. And third thing is quest. So you have to go slightly down and you would see quest. So right now there is no quest available, but just try whenever you see any quest. It will be a free quest. You just need to perform few things and then you can actually complete this step also. So I think based on activities, based on number of days you are using this Phantom wallet, they will be airdropping, they will be making users wallet addresses to be eligible for Phantom airdrop. And I hope you will receive some amount of Phantom token into the wallet. So that's all about the Phantom wallet, and I hope you will receive the airdrop. See you into the next video. Thank you.